Waterspout. They missed that boat. Missed that double rigger. Missed us. There it is. Texas Lady Waterspout. Still going over there. Can't see on the water. See the funnel cloud. Still going. White on the water. Bad. Oh, it's still gone. The clouds up there, that's the whole system right there. The cloud going up into the clouds. Look, that's it. It's still hitting over there, but that's it right there, and that's the whole system it's feeding. You can't see it too much now, but I can still see it on the water all there.
Hey, Ricky said that was right off the boat, son. He said it passed right off the back.